My name is Alyssa Sooklal. I live in Baltimore, Maryland, and I'm a water resources engineer working for McCormick Taylor. I've worked for McCormick Taylor for about 7 years. As a water resources engineer, I work primarily in stormwater management design and drainage design. I do a little bit of construction oversight for projects that I work on. I've done inspection work as well, and I design erosion sediment and control measures for construction projects. I attended Johns Hopkins University from 2013 to 2017. I achieved a Bachelor of Science in Environmental Engineering and a secondary major in Spanish with a minor in Earth and Planetary Sciences. My parents grew up in another country. They are from Trinidad in the Caribbean. Both my parents didn't have very good educations. They didn't have a lot of good opportunities in Trinidad. And so when they came to the United States, they knew they wanted to provide a better foundation for their kids. My dad is no longer here, but he was my biggest cheerleader, and I really have to give him a lot of credit because I inherited a lot of traits from him that I think have helped me get to where I am, like the curiosity and inquisitiveness and the love for science and trying to figure out how the world works. And so all of my siblings and I were all engineers. They're kind of living our parents' dream. It's opportunities that they didn't have, and that's the reality for a lot of first-generation Americans like myself is that it is not easy to get from, a level of poverty or like a low socioeconomic class, no safety net, no insurance, no connections, nothing really helping you get your foundation. The reality for a lot of us is we have to do it ourselves. I truly feel like I was blessed in a lot of ways, even if my path was very difficult to get here. I am currently serving as the ASCE Maryland Younger Member Group President for the 2023-2024 term. I'm also the Younger Member Director on the Maryland section level, and I serve as the Chair of the Professional Objectives Committee of ASCE Maryland. ASCE is really supportive in trying to help young professionals grow and become better versions of themselves. I would like to see myself in a leadership role in the future. I'd like to see myself continuing to work with students and younger individuals and being able to mentor and inspire younger individuals, particularly young women of color and first-generation Americans and children of immigrants like myself who may not see a career in civil engineering or something that is such a challenging and great profession, but is not accessible to them due to different parts of their background. I'd like to be that mentor or leader that someone can look at and see and say, wow, she came from all of these things that should have brought her down, or obstacles or challenges that shouldn't have allowed her to make it to where she is, and if she can do it, I can do it. I'd really like to thank ASCE for this opportunity to be a new face of civil engineering, and I have to thank McCormick Taylor, my employer, for their continued support of my role within ASCE, and my family, my friends, my loved ones, all my mentors, they're the ones who've helped me be where I am today and achieve what I've achieved today. And I'm really grateful for all of the people who have supported me and brought me to where I am.